Dr. Raspaldo, in your opinion, what are the main reasons to make Stylish a very successful brand in European market, especially in France and Italy?
So there are 4 words. The first is quality. This product has a very high quality. It's a very high quality hyaluronic acid. The technology, IPN technology, is very special. The second word is history. This brand is based on an experience not only of Vivacy of 15 years, but it's more. It's like more than 25 years because they have created one of the first hyaluronic acid in the history. The third one is that this brand, Stylish L, but also in Europe we have XXL, we have other brands, you can target exactly for one product, one area, and this is very effective and very safe. So the third word is safety. When you get a projection with 1 ml of Stylish L, you know exactly what you get. And you don't have delayed reaction that you can have with other gel. And the fourth word is medical education. We started in the 60s, which is 50 years ago, to do medical education. Of course, fillers and injectable, it's only 80s, in the 80s, but we studied medical education in Europe, especially in France, because first wrinkle and lips injection was probably done in France in the 80s. So this medical education with Vivacy has a high level. We teach in our factory in Archamps, close to Geneva, all the product, the stylish, but also anatomy, efficacy, danger zone. And in my face clinic Genève, where I work, I created Academia Raspaldo.com. So it's online training and also on-site training with hands-on training.
Okay, just like what we are doing today. Here.
Yeah, exactly.
Because I myself am very impressed by your speech in Shanghai Scala, because you have mentioned 3 points which share a lot in common with our group EVERCARE. Because you have listed 3 reasons why you choose the product for the doctor's sign. The first one is safety.
Yes.
The second one is efficacy. And the third one is top relationship. You know what? I would like to share more about EVERCARE. The product brand philosophy for EVERCARE is safety and trustful relationship and effective. And also, we must make our client feel better.
Yeah.
Good experiences. So we share these things in common.
Yeah, the human relationship is very important. When you can talk to the manager, talk to the clients, and the patient, they feel that something is good.
Yeah.
If
Not
you have
only good about the quality or
but relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that, by the way, congratulations for this clinic. It's amazing. I never saw such a beautiful place.
Thanks for your recognition.
For the lecture.
More.
Yes, with pleasure.
With our professionals.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's move to the question, and maybe you could talk about some differences you have got from the aesthetic concept side between France and China's professionals.
Mm-hmm. So there are differences on the culture, on the trends, but basically on the anatomy. And this is give all the trends. For example, Caucasian face like mine, we have convex profile instead of concave. So it means that on Asian face, I think you need to project more the medial face, and we have sharp face, we want to make it more seamless transition. The second is that on the temple, we don't have this sunken temple so much. So that's why I learned from my Chinese colleague that we need more injection on the temple, and this is a great thing. And by the way, I love to travel, not only to travel and to visit cities, because I learn from the best. Today and yesterday I learned from the best surgeon and doctors in China. And then when I have a Chinese or Asian patient in Geneva, it's easy for me. The third point is that the skin on Asian face and the soft tissue are thicker, and so that's why maybe it's more effective when you inject. We have this saggy skin. When you become 50 or like me, the skin is sagging, and then it's hard with a filler to lift everything. So that's why we are more oriented on surgery at the age of 50, 60. Maybe in Asia it's a good point because you can still use stylish range, because of the thickness of the skin and the retaining ligaments.
So that is the main differences between these two, the client needs in these two markets.
Yeah, and also the last but not least, we didn't mention my favorite part, which is the nose. So on Caucasian nose, we want to hide the hump and lift the tip. In Asian nose, you want to recreate the bone structure, the dorsum.
Recreate the bone.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's why the filler like style HL and in the future XXL would be fantastic.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this product may help us to solve some problems we are facing,
Yeah.
and to make the technology or the solution design more advanced.
Yes.
Okay.
Xie xie.
谢谢。